We know this video might be a surprise, but we promise to keep it brief and valuable. We at CoderFarm for the past 3 years have been working in IT, building softwares, helping startups, and working with companies like Canva, Smart Data, and even public sector firms like IIT Roorkee and municipal corporation.
Over the past few months, we have spent a lot of time documenting assumptions based on our past experience, our experience with client, and some Google search. We have made tons of mockups and designs, put it in a lot of time and effort and money. And here's the thing that we have never actually talked to any real buyer.
In our past work running a software and a staff augmentation agency, we saw firsthand how difficult it is to hire the right developers. But it's not just about finding talent, it's about matching the right people to the right company culture, working styles, and even contract preferences.
Some companies pay hourly, some pays based on performance, and some pay based on deliverables, and even some like to pay based on equity or maybe a hybrid model. And yet, even the best hiring platform like Upwork or TopTel don't fully solve this problem.
That's why we are working on a new platform, one that makes hiring and contracting more flexible, transparent, and truly a win-win for both companies and developers.
Before we go too far, we need to talk to real people like you. How do you prefer to engage developers, and what challenges have you faced with hiring and contracts? Would you be open to a quick 15-minute chat? No sales pitch, just an honest conversation to learn from your experience. Let me know and we will send over a link to schedule. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to your thoughts.